What's up, little ducks, and welcome back to the Bull Ring, guys. I'm here to let you know that we have a tricky week this week, and it's because we have a rate Fed cut. Is he going to do it? Is it going to be 25 basis points? Is it going to be 50? Well, let's check out what the chart is doing, guys. If you've been trading the last 10 to 15 days, you know that we've had an amazing triple top, guys. Okay. So now you can see in the chart here that we have had resistance not once, not twice, but 3 times, guys. And it looks like we are trying to break out. But here's the most important part. If you're trading, okay, and you like to buy options, guys, you should be buying time. Do not buy zero DTEs if you're new at this, okay? Now, this is a bullish move here, guys. Check this out. And I've talked about it before in my other videos. We touched the 8 EMA, guys. And what happens every time we touch the 8 EMA? Well, let's take a look at that. That was one there. That was another one. That was another one. That was another one. Obviously, guys, it's going to get bullish, and it's starting to look like that right now. So if this is breaking resistance, that means somebody knows something and somebody started buying stuff, guys. The other part too is that a lot of these wealth management companies, hedge funds, banks, guys, are way behind on their targets. As a matter of fact, they're not even hitting their targets this year. So what they're going to do is they're going to pump the market and they're going to buy, and we're going to have a Santa Claus rally pretty soon. So be careful and be ready, guys. Now, if you want to be simple about it, guys, we can say, look, we got a cup and handle here, guys, and then we're just going to measure our implied move, and this is our implied move here, guys, and we're going to take that and we're going to raise it right above that resistance, guys, and check it out. It goes right into my target 1, and it takes us into target 2 potentially. But for now, guys, I am counting on that target 1 by December 31st or earlier. So guess what? If you were thinking of buying calls, guys, join the Bull Ring, and I will tell you which option contracts you should be getting before December 31st. Now, this is one of the things I called out in the Bull Ring, guys, and I let everybody know that we had a flat top, guys. This is called a flat top pattern, and what happens is that they're going to come and challenge it the first time. Then they came the second time, guys. And it usually takes 4 times before they actually get above the resistance. And guess what they did today, guys? Okay. And they did it towards the end. And look at this. I have a call signal. If you have the dominator, guys, this is when you want to get in, guys. Target 1 was met today. This was a day trade that I announced in my Discord, which you guys can join for free, guys. But this is showing me that the market is going to go bullish. Look at Nvidia, guys. Look at how many green candles we have on the daily. We hit our target 1, and guess what's going to happen tomorrow, guys? I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to show you something that is even more bullish, guys. And I just talked about it on SPY. Check that out. We've been touching and bouncing off that 8 EMA for the last 3-4 days, guys, maybe 5 days. Okay, we had this red day here, but we've been bouncing off it. What does that tell you? That tells you there is a lot of money waiting to come in. They're not going to let Nvidia go down, guys. So if you like Nvidia, I would suggest you click on the link below and join my Discord, guys. I'll help you out. All right, more signs that the market is going bullish, guys. Look at Google. Do you recognize a pattern going on here, guys? Check that out. Every resistance they've gotten, guys, they beat it. And if you take a look at it, it doesn't have to be science, guys. Okay, we can come back here and say, okay, this took 19 days. And just take your chart and go measure how many days it took for them to beat that resistance. So the current one is getting bullish, guys. That first red candle right here, that's bullish. So 19 days has been the average that I've been counting on some of these big resistance days. But guys, check that out. Okay, so they bounced off that 8 EMA a few times, and now they came here. Okay, and I'm going to show you something. If you had the dominator, you would be able to see this. This is the 2-hour chart, guys, on Google, check that out. Okay, they are building a support line right there, guys, and it's looking super nice. Okay, for a nice trade. See that? 1, 2, 6 hours they stayed there. Look at the bottom down here, guys. We have a buy signal on Google, guys. Look at that. Boom, there it is. Google started going up, and guess what happens when you get those bottom buy signals, guys? I'm going to open this up for you so you can check it out. See this here? We had a bottom buy signal on the 2 hour, guys, and we went up $5.50. So from here, once we get green, should be about this area, guys. If we go $5.50, guys, we're going to 320, possibly more. Now, if Google runs up, guys, and Nvidia runs up, guess what SPY is going to do? Now, let's take a look at Microsoft, guys. Microsoft, we got our first green candle, guys, above the 8 EMA, and it bounced off of it, guys. What does that tell you? That tells you that we are going to go bullish. So you have all the Mag 7 that are working towards the top, guys, especially the ones with the highest market cap. I'm telling you, they're going to move SPY, guys. Okay, now, if I go on the weekly, guys, and I'm giving you a swing trade here, I've already recommended this to my team, guys, okay? And I'm telling you right now, it's going to run, guys, okay? Now, what I want you to focus on is, again, these buy signals that I talk about in my videos down here, guys. Look at what happens when we get a buy signal at the bottom. Look at the big run up, guys. Here, we had another run, and I'll stretch it out because sometimes you can't tell by the chart because TradingView likes to crush their charts, guys. Okay, now check that out. From that signal, guys, we went up about $47. Okay, and the one before that, we went up, wow, this was $190, guys. So let's just say we're gonna go up $47 again this time, guys. Right off of here, you're looking at about 539, guys. 539. Now, if you were in the bull ring, guys, I'm going to tell you right now, you would have seen this chart right here, guys. Check that out. Okay, I already sent this to my team, and this is the same, just like Nvidia, guys. We have a flat top, and we keep hitting that top. Guess what? On the fourth try, guys, they're gone. Okay, we're going to be up here. So I have a target 2 of 526, target 1 of 512, guys. And again, I told my team, do not buy this under 495. Why? Because you want to have a good experience with your trade. You want it to stay green the entire time it's going up. You enter after 495. If you want to stomach a little red, then go ahead and enter now, guys. But that signal is not going to stay down there, guys. They're going to start buying this up. There's a lot of stuff going on with AI. And if you go look at the rumors on Microsoft, they're going to announce something pretty soon, guys, because they have to compete with Google. They have to compete with Apple. They have to compete with Nvidia. All these guys are going back and forth, guys. But look at this. For us, the stock is down. Wow. This is a great buying opportunity, guys, even if you just wanted to buy and hold it for a long time, guys. Now, if you hung out this long, guys, I'm going to reward you. I'm going to give you some swing trades you can put on your list, guys, and watch them. The number one I'm going to give you right now is HWM, guys. Look at this line right here, 197. Do not enter this trade unless it goes above 197, guys. This is a swing trade for me. Check it out. We have our bottom buy signal, which are the best signals we love because the signal is not going to stay down forever. You just have to buy the right contract. If you need help with that, guys, click the link below. Jump into my Discord. I'll recommend one for you. All right, the next swing, guys, is Roku, guys. And I told my team already, my target is 116, guys, but do not buy this under 103. Wait till it goes past 103, guys. There's been some resistance there, and you want to enjoy the trade. Wait for it to come up. Also, we have our bottom buy signal, guys. Check out that signal right there. We know for a fact that signal will not stay down there, which means that the stock is going to run up, guys. Okay, that's the second swing for you. All right, guys, the third swing is going to be AEP, guys, the electrical company. We are not taking this trade under 117. Wait for it to get above 117, guys. The cool part is we already have our bottom buy signal. We want this signal to develop. We want it to go up a little bit, guys. The last time we had the signal, check it out. From the bottom to the top, this stock went up $7.50. And if you hung out, it went up $9.67. So set an alert for 117, guys, or even 117.61. Now the next swing, guys, is a power play. They have a lot of great things going on. This is Ciena Corporation, guys, CIEN. And look, these are the major factors I'm looking at, guys. They bounced off the 8 EMA on Friday, guys, and they're going. You also have analysts that said this stock is going to go to 240, guys. My first target is 227. I'm going to add 240 because anytime an analyst says 240, they usually get there. But for now, 227, guys, and we have a buy signal, guys. It is not at the bottom, but it is a buy signal. And if you look at the other buy signals we've had that were not at the bottom, guys, and you look at the top of the chart, okay, this stock continues to go up. Look at that. That was about a $25 move before the first sell signal, guys. And then if you look at the next buy signal, guys, it went up $15.50, guys. Okay, I truly think these guys are going to go up. They have earnings this week. And you know what happens when their stock gets hyped up like this? They're probably going to pump, guys, past 240. So keep it on your watch list. I entered the trade already. You still have time, guys, especially because they have earnings, guys. If you don't want to buy contracts, you can buy shares. Just look at the chart, guys. These guys are not failing. They're just going to keep going and going. All right, guys. And the last swing I got for you guys is PANW, guys. You ever heard of those guys? That's right. It's Palo Alto, guys. Look at this. We have a call signal, guys. We've already gone past the 8 EMA, came up, resisted twice around the 199 area, guys, except this happened today right here, guys. Check it out. Yes, it's my alarm. Guys, 8 EMA, they bounced right off of it, guys. I'm ignoring this sell signal here because the sell signal tells me they are getting to the top and they're going to pull back. I'm waiting for that pullback, guys, okay? Check out the weekly chart, though. The weekly chart has that bottom buy signal, guys. Look at this. You can't beat this with a stick, guys. Look at that bottom buy signal there. And this one, I'm going to draw this out for you so that you understand how this indicator works, guys. Bottom buy signal, guys. And I'm going to go from that signal to the total move up, guys. That was $45. Now let's take a look at the one before that. Bottom buy signal, guys. Total move up, okay? We went $39. So now let's just take that one and say, okay, from the bottom, which would be about right here, that will be a move up to $223, guys. Imagine buying a contract, guys, and it goes up $23. And I'm going to do one more signal here, guys, on the weekly. Check it out. $40. It's about a $40 average every time they go up, guys. Okay. This is a great swing. Again, if you want to enjoy your trade, guys, $199.78. Let's just call it 200. Do not buy it under 200, guys. Okay. If you're going to buy it over 200, and make sure you're buying the correct contracts, guys. Link in the description below if you need help. Discord is free, guys. Come on in and I'll share with you what I'm going to buy with Palo Alto, guys. Okay. You can't beat this one. Guess who loves this one too? Nancy Pelosi, guys. See you in the next video.